My name is Ida Cham, and I studied in England. I did hotel tourism and catering management. So I lived in England for 3 years. Then I came back 1989. So from 1989 to 2005, I was working at Senegambia Hotel on different managerial posts. Then I resigned from Senegambia Beach Hotel to a more challenging job to Makasutu, Mandina Lodge. There I was a GM. So I managed that hotel for 2 years. Then I resigned again because I thought the Gambia needed something new in the tourism market. So that was why I resigned and started my home cooking. And I named my business after my mother, Yabouy, because in my family we're all women and we were brought up by a single parent, my mom. I believe that food is the best to connect people. And if you come to Yabouy Home Cooking, it's not only the cooking experience, but also the cultural values you study in the Gambia here as well. Because when you come here, we take you around, show you all the herbs we have, hands-on the cooking. You dress up in African outfit. You have first-hand connection with the locals. I created niche that sticks in their mind, which they will never forget. They wear Gambia, they eat Gambia, they feel Gambia. What I do is very authentic because everything is organic. Things are changing now because people are looking for what they don't have in their countries, because people are tired of these fancy hotels and so forth. So they are now looking for what they don't have in their countries. I think that's why even my product is very special, because what I'm doing is very sustainable. You have the nature, you have the papaya here, you have the cassava, you have moringa, you have peanuts over there, you have bananas, you have lemongrass, you have mangoes, you have oranges, even the well, which is local. People use it to fetch water. So when you enter here, you see everything. All what you need in the Gambia, you see it in my compound. Everything is made in the Gambia. Being in the hospitality industry for so long really helped me, because I am now practicing that in my small business that is now going globally. Yabo is very small, but it's making a great impact. Not in the Gambia only, but in the whole world. There is future in sustainable and community-based tourism, because this is what people are looking for now. Tourists are now traveling to be responsible, and they would like to help. That's why these communities are doing a great impact in the Gambia, because when tourists come, when they go to the communities, they help. They help. And just see it, those who are doing sustainable tourism and community-based tourism are having more business, because this is what people are looking for now.
Hello, I'm Inês from Portugal and from Fundação Santander Portugal, representing also Santander Group. And I find this experience very, very nice and unique. It's very nice to come to a country and be welcomed as one of the people here. So being part of the community is a pleasure, and it's an honor for us. It's very nice trying not to feel a tourist. It's trying. I loved going to the market and seeing all the activity, and then coming back and cooking and taking notes, which trying to make the recipe at home. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
I didn't stay in England because I want to come back and contribute in the Gambia here. and pass on my knowledge to the youths, because I used to represent the Gambian trade fairs. Even if you enter Brussels Airlines, my face is there, and this product is there. And I was on CNN International, SABC from South Africa, we're here, and I've cooked with celebrity chefs. So I would say that I represent the Gambia fully. I've got so many awards internationally, but even if you Google my name, I come up with first 10 businesses in the Gambia. And I think because of that as well, I won the Jollof Rice in Nigeria. This was in 2018. And I also won the Most Uniquely Gambian Award, GCCI, in 2019. And that one really made a big impact in my business, because somebody came to the Gambia and wanted benachin. So somebody recommended me. They came to me, and you know what? When they went back, this gentleman just wrote to me and said that they wanted to invite me to South Africa just to cook benachin on Africa Day. You see the impact it does. And people, when they Google because of this, they always want to come to me. At Yabouy Home Cooking, we give opportunities to the youths because here we employed about 10 people. And because I also teach Gambian gastronomy, I teach them and find jobs for them. And with guests, I think from 1989 to now, we've trained over 5,000 people. I am from a very poor background because I am very proud to say my mom started selling peanut butter from the market, but afterwards she made it in life through determination. So that's why I started this foundation, paying school fees for kids. And here I am trying to mobilize some of the ladies to see what I can do with them. So I've got someone who is in the market, in Tangier market. I used to give her money to buy fish and sell. Now she's buying direct from the boat. For instance, she can buy a whole boat and distribute to other people. At Yabouy, we do home cooking. We also do herbal workshop. We do yoga classes. We do dancing classes. And when you come here on hands-on, you can make your own earring, some jelly. We will also teach you something cultural about feminine. We have the gowe, we have the sepa, we have the diungalam. We also have Gudindanan or Supper Club. We started since last year, and really it's becoming very popular. And for that one, we can even attract corporate clients. For instance, you want to have a party outside your comfort zone, you can come to Ida. And here, for that one, we cook everything Gambian with a kora instrument. We have a lot in the pipeline. And I'm inviting everybody globally to come to the Gambia. As we are called, Smiling Coast. People are very friendly. A Gambian can help anyone. And we have nice beaches, nature, beautiful birds. We have over 600 species of birds in the Gambia. And there are so many things you can do with our river. Just to sum it up, coming to the Gambia, here we represent Africa. When you come to the Gambia without coming to Yabouy, you didn't say anything. Because when you come here, we dress you up with African outfit. We go to the market together, cook together, eat together, play games, dance together, and exchange cultural values. You can also stay here to see how we live, because we live here and we have 5 rooms. And here, when you come, you enjoy the nature. And if you're a bird lover, we have over 30 species of birds in the compound here. You can reach us on www.gambianhomecooking.com, on Facebook, Ida's Home Cooking Yabouy, and on Instagram, Cham Ida. And we are also on YouTube. We are also on TikTok.
Malambe dolo bila